Well, some people have said they're concerned about the possibility of an AI data center moving into this old data processing center in Hartford, the one that's just beyond center field at Duncan Park. Fox 61's Celine Arif has more on why those people say they're worried and what the city's mayor has to say.
This building near Duncan Park sits empty, and some say they've heard it's going to be turned into an AI data center. So we went to work and got answers as to what the city is really planning to do.
We need transparency, we need details, we need a seat at the table. Because if it's not a data center, then what is it?
The CEO for the local nonprofit Angel of Edgewood, Janiyah Scott, says she's worried about the environmental impacts this neighborhood will see if an AI data center is ever built. AI data centers have been in the headlines recently, and many people around the country are worried.
Somehow, these projects always seem to land in communities that have the least resources and the least ability to fight back.
In the past, the mayor's office said they wanted to see an AI center here, not to be confused with an AI data center. So the mayor's office changed the name, and we asked Mayor Arunan Arulampalam what's happening.
And we're building out this workforce and innovation campus in which our big businesses, as they innovate, instead of having to lean on big tech companies, can work with students coming out of our schools so that our students are getting upfront access to the best technology.
But what exactly does that mean? The mayor says it would be a space that's open to the public and will look very different from what some people have in mind.
There's no servers, there's no massive energy usage. It's going to be classrooms, it's going to be spaces where when Hartford Healthcare wants to build out a medical product using AI, they come and they work with students coming out of the city of Hartford.
The mayor says the plan is to have startups, businesses, universities, and more all working under one roof to advance the city forward in innovation and create local job opportunities for the next generation. And they already have something in place that's doing exactly that. Last week they had a ribbon cutting at Trinity College's Constitution Plaza, where they built a workforce and innovation campus. Now they hope they can build that bigger here if they get state funding to help them out.
There's no blueprints for a building because we would need state funding to be able to build something at that site at 150 Windsor. We would love to build there, but it will depend on the amount of state funding.
If there are plans to ever build an AI data center here, Scott says more information is needed.
We need to know how these so-called AI centers have actually benefited the communities where they have been built, because from what we've researched already, they have not.
Well, as you heard, no plans to build an AI data center here are happening. The mayor's office is hoping to eventually demolish this building because they say it's outdated and unsafe. So the mayor says don't worry if you see crews working on site. In Hartford, Celine Arif, Fox 61.